If you're using an Apple iPhone, you may be using the WhatsApp application on your Apple iPhone. Sometimes, you may have locked your WhatsApp application. Afterwards, if you want to remove that lock, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling you how to remove the WhatsApp lock on your Apple iPhone. For this, open the WhatsApp application. When you're opening it, here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. And here, you can see the privacy option. Click on privacy. When you're clicking on that and scrolling down, here you can see the app lock option. Click on app lock. When you're clicking on that, here you can see require Face ID. Sometimes, it will be turned on. That means your app lock is enabled. If you don't want the app lock, what you need to do is disable require Face ID. After that, that lock will be removed. After that, if you're closing the WhatsApp application and opening it again, you cannot see that lock anymore. So, this way, you can easily remove the app lock from WhatsApp on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.